the question that we've been asked is, how do I do inter-matter trust transfer? For that, I'm going to take an example where there's a client by name Pierre LaFontaine. He has three matters: first matter, second matter, and third matter. And we see that in the first matter, he got about $5,000 of trust, and then from that $5,000 of trust, one invoice was raised and we have transferred this much. But if you look at the other two matters, we've raised invoices, there's no money in trust, but you don't want to reach out to the client to ask him for more funds because you know there's money in the first matter that you can transfer to the next one. Now, how do you handle the situation? To do that, what we generally recommend is first you go to the client, Pierre LaFontaine, and you run what we call is a client fee book report. So when you run the client fee book report, what the software does is it calculates all the outstanding matters for Pierre, and then it will actually send you the information on how the client is. So in this case, it clearly tells you that there's nothing balance owed on the first account. The second one has $847.50. The third matter has $1,073.50, totaling to that much. So that's the amount that you want to move from trust from the first matter into the second and the third. So let's now copy that. We'll go back to the matter, and this time we'll go to the first matter where there's money in trust, and then we'll click on that action button, and then we will click on inter-matter trust transfer. When you do that, the software will pick up and it will try to refund the maximum, but you don't want to do that. You only want to refund that amount that you want to pay to the other two. You have choice here. Generally, we say pick inter-matter account as the cash account, and then you will hit the refund button. When you hit the refund button, it'll put a journal entry for this matter to basically remove it, and then it'll transfer it into the other two. So what you can now see is the third matter now has the full amount paid in deposited into trust, and the second one also has that. And you just hit the apply button. When you've done that, now you will see that funds have moved from this matter to the other matter. So now if I go to the second matter, you will now see that there is trust money. So when I hit the question mark, it will allow me to do the transfer. So I can do the transfer now. And then finally, if I go to the third matter, there will be also exactly the same amount of funds so that I can transfer. So when I hit the question mark, you'll now see that there's money to transfer. You can hit the transfer button and you can transfer it out. Now to summarize, what I want to do is I want to go into accounts, and for Pierre LaFontaine, I want to do a trust ledger. So I just say client trust. I'll do all transactions for Pierre LaFontaine. And I'll do a quick show. And when I do a show, clearly you see here that the $5,000 was in trust. Then you paid the invoice for the first one. Then you transferred off today the $1,029 out. The balance in trust for that first matter is reduced. If you look at the second one, the $845.50 got transferred, and then you paid your invoice, and the third one that got transferred and you paid your invoice. So to summarize, when you have a couple of matters and you have all the money in one matter in trust account, to transfer it to other matters, you'll click on the action button and you'll use inter-matter trust transfer.